Hello everyone, and welcome to the 2024 Christmas special on the Car Review Guy, in which today I'm going to be reviewing the Christmas variant of Lightning McQueen, which I'm pretty sure appeared in the Mater Saves Christmas comic, which I personally have never read, so I don't know what happens in it. Now, of course, I've kept it in the box, just in case it's worth a pretty penny in the next couple decades. Though I'll probably never sell it. I'll never sell any of my cars, any of them. Even my old, beaten-up Billy Oil Changer I have. Never selling him. Yeah, he's a keeper. Still, back on Lightning McQueen, shall we? He kind of reminds me of the Holiday Hotshot of Lightning McQueen, which, if you know Lightning McQueen variants, you should know what I'm talking about. Now he's got maroon rims, which is cool, and a green lightning bolt, which kind of reminds me of a Christmas tree. Now he's got big, knobbly tyres, which I assume are meant for off-roading. As I previously mentioned, I have never read the book in my life, so I don't know what happens in it. Now, if you look at the front, you can see he's got snowplow, which I assume is also used for, plowing the snow, of course. He's also got some Christmas lights. Sorry, not Christmas lights, just some ordinary lights on his bonnet. And on his roof as well. And now he's got no numbers on him. As in, number 95, because, that's his number. And now it's, so you can see it's fairly uninteresting on the back, and that's because it only goes brake lights and the the metal bars that hold the wing up, whatever they're called. I don't know. I might know a lot about cars, but I don't necessarily know everything now, do I? What else is there to say? Of course, he's just, if you look at the top, he's got his 3 window bars. And you can also see his lights as well. Not Christmas lights, as I sillily mentioned. Is that even the word? I'm not even sure. Probably isn't. If it isn't the word, then I've just created a new word. Sillily. And now, the Mattel have also released some more Christmas edition cars, which I assume are from Made to Save Christmas. Here, and I'm going to show them right now. So, of course, we have Lightning McQueen. We also have the Snowmobile. That's one of my favourites. We also have Clutch Kringle, which I assume is a play on names of the one and only Kris Kringle. Here we are, and Mater, Doc Hudson, and last but certainly not least, we have Sally. Now, I just want to say thank you to all my supporters for supporting me throughout this my long YouTube career, and it's just been a pleasure to do YouTube. One last thing, have a Merry Christmas, folks.